Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to update your contact information or your mobile number on DBS bank account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your account. So then let us get started. So once you're logged in into your account, on the other page, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then tap on more option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on more on the other page, scroll down right to the bottom, tap on update particular, and on the other page you'll have to select the contact detail or your contact information that you want to update. So once you're done selecting your contact information, next tap on change, which is under contact details section. Now what you have to do is you'll have to enter the new contact information that you want to save. So once you're done entering your contact information, tap on the save button, which is right at the bottom of your screen. So then on the last interface, you'll have to go through it once again and make sure that all of your information is correct. And once you're done, tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. And that is how you can update your contact information on DBS bank account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.